We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty.
People are surprised to learn that crime rates in Colorado, and particularly here in Denver, have largely been on the rise in recent years. When you think of the Centennial State, whether you live here or you're just visiting, what comes to mind are winter sports, magnificent landscapes, and of course, its generous and easygoing people. Sometimes it's hard to remember that Denver is just like any other modern metropolis, and the most ordinary, well-meaning folks like you and me can and do find themselves in troubling circumstances where they need the help and guidance of a skilled criminal defense attorney. Another fact that people may not know is how outrageously harsh the criminal penalties are here in Colorado. A first-time DUI where no one gets hurt can cause you to lose your license for 9 months. Possessing just over 2 ounces of marijuana can result in a year-long jail sentence, even though possessing a single ounce is now perfectly legal. A minor shoplifting incident can carry years in prison and hundreds of thousands in fines. And if you pick up a domestic violence-related charge, you're looking at 2 years probation, if not also incarceration. But in so many of these cases, defendants themselves are the victims of false allegations, honest mistakes, or police misconduct, which can be far more egregious than anything a defendant is even accused of. Whatever the circumstances, it is imperative that anyone facing criminal charges here in Colorado have knowledgeable and skilled criminal defense counsel safeguarding their rights. What many people don't realize is that an arrest is only the beginning of the case. And with competent representation, you may be able to get your charges lessened or dismissed, and ultimately be able to get your record sealed so that it doesn't show up as a criminal record. Here at the Colorado Legal Defense Group, our attorneys painstakingly investigate every aspect of your matter and search for evidence that strengthens your position and weakens the state's arguments. We aggressively negotiate with prosecutors in an effort to resolve your case favorably without having to involve a jury. But if trial proves necessary, we draw on our decades of courtroom experience as we vigorously litigate your case in pursuit of a not guilty verdict. If you or your loved one is facing criminal charges here in Colorado, call our attorneys at the Colorado Legal Defense Group. We'll give you a free consultation and we'll talk about what we can do to get your charges reduced or dismissed.